Hello everyone. Sorry about the video quality. I had to use a different phone because my iPhone is what I use to record most of my videos. It's my old phone that I'm recording with. Today we are talking about your iPhone charger port. I'm sure there's a multitude of videos on how to take this apart, how to, you know, mess with it, solder it, whatever you want to do. But I wanted to bring up, before you do any of that, there's a problem with these charging ports, and that is it picks up a lot of lint. So before you do anything, save yourself the trouble and take like a little tiny screwdriver or a safety pin, and you want to stick it in your charging port and kind of clean out that lint, try to pick it out. But you want to be very careful of the pins in here, because you could wreck the pins and then you'd have to replace everything. So I recommend a safety pin or something that doesn't grab the sides of the little pins in there. So do that before you do anything else, because it'll save you a lot of hassle, a lot of time, a lot of money. In my case, it worked perfectly, and I didn't have to spend any more money or any more time on it. It works great. I guess, I don't know how it happens, but a lot of lint gets built up in here. And yeah, that's about all. So, share this video. Help everyone else out. No need for everyone to spend a whole bunch of money trying to fix their phone when there really isn't a problem with it except the little lint inside the charging port. So, that's all. Hope everyone has a nice day. Leave a comment if this was helpful. Share it. Thank you all for watching.